Okay, how's it going, everyone? I'm going to make a quick update on HOLO, as it's been a lot of retail traders that have got into it and just confused, and it's one of the biggest short squeeze potential setups in the market right now, and it has history of doing it. But we want to make sure where we're looking at, is the next area going to be a pump, and really, HOLO has been really just following this simple, most practical pattern I'm seeing here. So if you look at my thing, if you're not a part of my system, let's go over it. We have the band strategy. Upper band is a sell zone. Bottom band is more for your buy zone. But if we're not at the ATR4, which is this bottom band, then we got to draw a trend channel. What are we doing? Where has price been respected? And you can see from the highs to the low, if you draw it from here, the high for the most recent, and then the low, you can see we have a very clear trend on a more longer term here. We have support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, and resistance. So knowing this, like, okay, well, trend channel's near ATR4. It's, it might get there, it might not. And you kind of have an idea of like, okay, I don't have to be in the trade. I can look for other trades that are in this kind of formation. For me, HOLO is not in that thing. A lot of people have been saying this thing was going to pump since even 50 cents when it was. 70 cents, a dollar. It is outrageous, and there's really no theme to it. It's just because of the history. The last pump is done. I will guarantee you this, though. Price will hit the EMA 20, but you want to make sure you have a good entry. The last time HOLO hit the EMA 20 was back in 604. The current date is 887. So as you can say, 604 to 704, 704 to 804, that's 2 months of trade time distance that HOLO has not hit the EMA 20. And anything that don't hit the EMA 20 in 2 months is long. So we will fill this in. There's plenty of examples in the past where we do. Price goes away from it and we fill it in. Price goes away and we fill it in. But we want to make sure, what is the trend saying? This is a longer term channel here. Can it get to 19 cents? We don't know. We don't know. But if we use a shorter term trend channel, you can be like, okay, well, what is it respecting in the very short term? Maybe I want to get these little bounces here, because these bounces are around, 20, 30%, 40% gains. Right here, we finally have a solid channel. We have support, resistance, resistance. Most likely, if I get in, it'll be around 30 cents. And this is going to fluctuate, so don't hold that number to your thing, but draw that trend channel. What is going on here? There is, and you can even do it individually here and say, there is a strong support in these areas here. In this area, there, it could be a wick that comes through. There's going to be very, very strong support in the 29-cent area. Very strong support. So that's the thing with HOLO. It's got massive volume, 18 million for the day. I'm not worried about the volume. It's got that. It has the pass where it can squeeze the heck out of shorts. But you got to realize is when it hits that EMA 20, you need to stop listening to pumpers. Get the heck out of the stock, as it can come tumbling down. And it's happened forever. EMA 20, blue band, comes tumbling down. EMA 5 and 10 usually act as resistance. So what happens is this last pump, it hit my red bands. I was a short, and it made tons of money. If it goes down up above these red bands, you need to have red flags. If you don't have this system, definitely join the Discord, so you never ever buy a penny stock or any stock that goes above the band, because what happens is, I guarantee you, I promise, it's going to tank, and it's going to hit the 5, 10, and 20 in a very short amount of time. So that's what happened to HOLO here, and as you can see, price has been resisting from the EMA 5, the 10, and really didn't catch my eye till right in here now, as we have a lot of time distance from the 20. We're at a lower trend channel, so there's a lot of bull cases that I see if it goes down a little more. So 29 cents, it can very easily drop a nickel there and pick up the big bulls that went in. So yeah, that's right there, guys. HOLO, definitely on watch, because it's due for EMA 20. Definitely can hit, in the 50-cent region. I'm sorry that you guys, if you guys bought it at the dollar, 80 cents, 60 cents, $2, whatever you want to be it, just learn from it. I've been there. I've done that. I followed alerts. I followed people on Twitter. I followed people everywhere. And I truly believe, but there was no actual system they were using. If you guys want to have a system like this and understand how charting works, join the premium Discord. I promise you it's at an all-time low cost, and I guarantee you will be profitable if you do these exact things that I will show you. If you guys want to join, hit the link down below in the YouTube comments or in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And when you come on in, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe. If you have an Android user, you will have to do it on your computer or your phone's browser. Avoid scammers. We are a very rapidly growing community because a lot of people understand the system and they understand how to catch bottom reversals. So I will never message or DM you first. Do keep that in mind. Testimonies are out of the roof, guys. You can read everyone here. It's just awesome. And wait till I show you even the day trades. So if you go on over the top left in the server shop, you can see I offer 2 services. I highly recommend the Day and Swing Trading Plus for $12 a month. Only $12 a month. Cut out a McDonald's meal with this inflation rate we have right now. You can cut out that McDonald's meal, put it into something that's worthwhile. I promise you, I have so much education videos to watch, and I'm uploading all the time and always improvising the system, alerting you guys entries and exits, not just entries, but exits, and showing you guys exactly how to fish. That's the main thing. I don't want to just have a service that charges, a ridiculous amount of money, and people have no money to trade, and then also you guys don't know how to learn how to fish. I want you guys to know why HOLO would not be an A+ setup, because one, we're not at the ATR4, which is this bottom band, and we're not at the trend channel. If we're not at ATR4, we have to use a trend channel, and then we use the EMAs as targets. That's how it always has been. That's how algos trade. This is all algos. You're trading against bots, so you got to understand that. So it's for $12 a month. Do subscribe on your computer. It'll be cheaper. If you do it on your phone, it'll charge you a little more. So I try to say on a computer. You're also gonna catch me on live streams. I'm gonna alert to the members in here that I go live, and I'll go over setups, go over day trades. And like I say, guys, you're gonna want to check out the day trades. That's why I say pay the extra $12 a month, and you'll see the massive 25 win streak on day trades, making an average of 10 to 20% gains. It's awesome, guys. I think you guys are gonna love it. It's one of the. It took me a while to figure out. I've blown accounts just like you guys. Don't feel bad, but this is just so you guys have confidence to trust the system. So that's all I'm going to leave you guys with. If you guys like the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. I would love to have you guys in the Discord. All new people are welcome. It's one of the cheapest services with the highest win ratio. And like I said, I will teach you how to fish. All right, guys, take out. If you guys like the video, give it a like I said. And I really, guys, wish you the best luck of trading. Happy trading. Stay blessed, stay humble, and just trade the best setups, guys. All right, peace out.